Here we have a Samsung Galaxy Tab, and as you can see, it is FRP locked, and I will show you how to unlock it in this video. The method I'm going to show you doesn't require any paid tools, it's totally free. You will just need a computer and a cable to connect your tablet. So first you will need to install SamFW tool, which is a free program. You can easily find it with a simple Google search, or you can check the description for the download link. Once the software is installed, you'll start by running a check on your tablet to find out which software version is installed on it. To do this, go to Info and click on MTP Info. I can see that the tablet I'm holding is running Android 11. Now the goal is to flash the tablet with an older Android version, which will make the unlocking process easier. The firmware you need to install can be found directly on the SamFW website. Scroll all the way down on the product page and you will see a filter. Start by selecting an older Android version, but be careful because you need to choose a security class that matches the one originally installed on the tablet. This will help you avoid errors when flashing the device. Next, you need to restart the tablet in download mode. To do this, click on Reboot, go to the Samsung tab and click on Download mode. Once the tablet is powered on in download mode, you will need to flash it. Go to the Odin Flash tab and select the different files from the folder you downloaded from SamFW tool. In my case, since it's a Wi-Fi only tablet, I need to select the BL, AP and CSC files. If it's a Wi-Fi plus cellular version, then you also need to add the CP files. With the files selected, start the flash and wait. I'll speed up this part and see you in the end to see the result. If you are new to the channel and interested in this topic, I invite you to subscribe. I plan to share a lot of FRP bypass techniques and iCloud bypassing, so don't miss this opportunity. At the end of the process, we end up on this screen. At this stage, the FRP lock is still there, but the tablet is now running Android 9 instead of Android 11, which will make things much easier for us. I will speed up this setup part and will continue afterward. Once you've set up the Wi-Fi network, you might see a message like Internet connection failed. Make sure not to click OK. Instead, we'll use the SamFW tool software to open a browser directly on the tablet. To do this, go to the Android tab in the software, then go to FRP and click Open Browser. Finally, select YouTube. So now you should arrive on this page. Then it will either open the YouTube app directly or a browser. In my case, it opened the Samsung Internet browser. It might also open Chrome, but that doesn't affect the rest of the unlocking process. Once the browser is open, go to the address bar and type the following link: bit.ly/techtipsfrp, just like on the screen. You click to confirm and it takes you to this page. You can see that there are different unlocking options and methods. Here we're going to select Open PIN code. It takes you to this page. Now you have the choice between a pattern, a PIN code or a password. In my case, I choose password and I'm going to enter a fake one like 1234, for example. And I enter the password a second time to confirm. Then it takes you to this page. You click on skip and it takes you back to the main page. If I click on PIN code, it ends up on the same page as before, which means my password was successfully accepted. You can also confirm that your password has been registered by locking the tablet and then checking if it's asking for an unlocking method. In my case, it's 1234A. And there you go, it's done. The unlocking process isn't completely finished yet. Now we go back to the web page and select Settings using the Open Settings app button. So it will take you here and you'll go into Account and Backup. Then select Account. Then Add Account. Select a Google account. And the information verification will ask you for the password. In my case, it's 1234. I now have the option to add a Google account to the tablet. I'm going to sign in with my account. Of course, you need to sign in with your own account. I'm going to speed up this part so the video doesn't get too long. Perfect. Now the Google account is in the tablet. Now simply restart the tablet to complete the FRP unlocking process. Once again, I'm going to speed up this part so the video doesn't get too long. Of course, when the tablet restarts, it will ask us for the passcode. In my case, it's 1234. So here we are in the hello screen. Now all that's left is to set up the tablet. You can see that setting up the Wi-Fi is no longer an issue, which is already a very good sign. If you've made it to this point in the video, it means you're already well along in your unlocking process. So don't forget to like the video, it really helps me out. Thanks a lot. Here there's a message that is nice to see, confirming that the Google account we added has been successfully recognized. As you can see, at the end of the process, the tablet is fully unlocked. You can use it without any restriction. So that's it. I hope the video was helpful for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks, and see you in the next one.